So, Gana, Nethadan, nama provisional answer key is come out, and in that provisional answer key, if you see, there is one question that is a kind of like a controversial question, because and the question la enna nadandirukuna, they have told that urine is concentrated in the loop of Henle. When we teach also, sometimes we say that, but according to NCERT line, we use the word filtrate, because the urine is only called when it comes to the collecting duct. So provisional answer key B option வந்து accept ஆயிருக்கு, where A, B and D are correct. But adila in the option urine is concentrated by loop of Henle is not exactly the right word. In NCERT, you know that they say glomerular filtrate, or filtrate is concentrated by loop of Henle by counter current mechanism. So in the question challenge பண்ண முடியும் in case it is accepted. If you have done elsewise, if you have done this option, then you don't have to, but otherwise you can challenge this question. Second question, majority students கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கிறது நம்ம evolutionல இருக்கிற question தான், நம்ம sapiens, homo sapiens ஓட questions. Okay, 1 second, let me just show you here. Yeah, this question where the NCERT reference say that Homo sapiens arose in Africa, not in Australia. Timeline, the second part of the question was the modern Homo sapiens arose during the Ice Age 75,000 to 10,000 years ago. So in the confusion, majority students are telling, ma'am, how can this answer be right? But please understand that when we calculate or when we talk about human ancestors, we talk about modern man and modern humans, which are again Homo sapiens. So whatever the answer is there, that is correct only. You cannot challenge this question. And it is a confusing question, because technical terms on the NCERT la different arika, but both can be considered. So you don't have to challenge this question. Many students are asking me, should I challenge this question? You don't have to challenge this question. It's better you avoid it, because if you have written the correct answer, well and good. Now, biology la indha mari nadandirukku, chemistry and physics la, if you guys are challenging any questions, let me know in the comment section as well. Now, I know re-NEET nadandadukku appuram lot of you have a lot of confusion. So to clear all your confusion, on a one-on-one mentorship where I will be in your city, I am coming to Chennai, and very, very excited to tell this also as well, because நான் வந்து நேத்து நீட் இங்கிலீஷ் சேனல்ல தான் இருந்தேன். ஸோ அதனால லாட் ஆஃப் நம்ம ஹைதராபாத் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கூட நம்ம சேனல்ல இருக்கு, பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த லவ், பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த வீடியோஸ், அண்ட் பிகாஸ் மெனி ஆஃப் தம் ஆல்சோ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தமிழ். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ரொம்ப ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து இங்க வந்திருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஹியர் ஐ am going to come to Chennai, that is Chennai Anna Nagar Center 27th, and 28th I am going to come to Madhapur Center in the evening 4 o'clock. You can all come to the Madhapur Center. So there are 2 links da kana, please register and come so that we can arrange the classrooms, refreshment. Adhe mari we can also have one-on-one complete counseling pod as well. Adukkaga simple process da, meet with Gopika ma'am in Chennai, and the link vandu click panni. If you're coming to Anna Nagar, click on that. If you're coming to Madhapur, all my Hyderabad students, please make sure that you come in Madhapur. Please make sure to click on this link. Okay, இப்போ நீங்க வந்து offline online option search பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்கன்னா, please make sure that you make the decision wisely, because 29 June our first class is going to happen, and I want all of you to be the part of the batch. I do not want any of you to join late and have backlogs. See, whatever has been done or whatever is there, that we will do revision. அது பத்தி நீங்க வந்து கவலைப்பட வேணாம். பட் மெயின் கோல் என்னன்னா, நீங்க வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணும்போது கரெக்ட்லி அந்த பேட்ச் ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டேன்னா அந்த ஃப்ளோ நல்லா இருக்கும். டீச்சர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ வில் know you very well, because we get to know the late students who attendance, we get to know when a student joined, we know all our students name as well. So அது எல்லாமே we know, so that's why it's better you join on the right time, Dakana. And right now there is an offer running for Infinity, only for Infinity batch, because majority students like Infinity batch a lot. So it is at 6,999. Later the price will increase, so make sure the link is in the description box and you can join. Offline ku endha mari queries irundalo inga oru link irukku Dakana, you can click on this. Offline needs repeaters, you don't have to directly join the batch or anything, you just have to fill this form. They will call you, you book a demo, go and see the entire offline center, adukapra mattum da join panna. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. If you have any other question that you plan to challenge, please let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. I hope all of you are subscribed to the channel.